So friends, welcome to Maths Guidance. So I have taken this question today. It was asked in Ssc Cgl Tier 1 2022. Okay. So the question is the difference between a discount of 25% and two successive discounts of 15% and 10% on a certain bill was rupees 25. Find the amount of the bill. We have been given 4 options. Okay. So let's solve the question. Solution. Okay. यहाँ पे अगर हम x मान के चलेंगे तो थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा. सो हम x नहीं मानेंगे, हम इसको मानेंगे 100 मान के चलेंगे. सो लेट द अमाउंट ऑफ द बिल बी 100. लेट द अमाउंट ऑफ द बिल बी ₹100. ओके. हम इसको कंपैरिजन मेथड से सॉल्व करेंगे. यहाँ पे हम लिख भी सकते हैं कंपैरिजन मेथड. कंपैरिजन मेथड हम 100 से कंपेयर करके इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. कंपैरिजन मेथड और रिलेटिव मेथड यू कैन राइट. रिलेटिव का यूज करेंगे हम लोग. रिलेटिव मेथड यू कैन से इट. ओके. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट द अमाउंट ऑफ द बिल बी 100. सो 25% डिस्काउंट इज बीइंग गिवन. सो आफ्टर 25% डिस्काउंट द अमाउंट बिकम्स, आफ्टर 25% discount it becomes 100 minus 25. 100 minus 25, that is equal to ₹75. Okay. Now second case is that two successive discounts are being given. One is 15% and then 10%. Okay. So this was the first case. Now the second case is after first discount of 15%. After discount of 15%. After discount of 15%, how much it comes? 100 minus 15, that is equal to ₹85. Okay. Now this is successive discount. That means अभी 85 में से 10% हमें और करना है. So after 10%, after discount of 10% again, after discount of 10% again. ओके. दैट मीन्स हमें 85 का 10% माइनस करना है. तो 85 का 10% 8.5. ओके. सो दैट इज इक्वल टू आई थिंक 76.5, 77, 3, 80, 85. ओके. दैट मीन्स दिस इज द फाइनल वैल्यू 76.5 और यहाँ पे फाइनल वैल्यू था 75. मीन्स if we are given a discount of 25%, then the amount is 75, and if there are two successive discounts of 15% and 10%, then it is 76.5. then you can clearly see the difference. Therefore the difference is 76.5 minus 75, that is equal to ₹1.5. all right. Now we are going to use this comparison method. If the difference is 1.5, then the amount of the bill is 100, and we have to find that if the difference is 25, then what is the amount? Okay. So we will use the unitary method. Okay. Use of unitary method. use of unitary method. एक एक नियम हिंदी में जो बोलते हैं उसका यूज करेंगे. If the difference is 1.5, if the difference is ₹1.5, then amount is ₹100. Okay. Therefore if the difference is ₹1, then amount is 100 by 1.5. all right. The simple method, we all know this. Now if the difference is 25, what we have to find out? Then the amount will be 100 by 1.5 and multiplied by 25. Now we have to solve this one. So better you remove this decimal first. You give one 0 here, then decimal, then you can remove it. Okay. Now 5 3 is 15, 5 5 is 25. So it becomes ₹1000 into 5, 5000 divided by 3. that is equal to rupees 3 1 ja 3, 2 0, 3 6 ja 18, again 2 0, 3 6 ja 18, again 2 0, 6 18.67 you can write. So basically this is the amount, okay, and this is in our option number D, 1666.67. So you can see that how easy it becomes to solve this problem with comparison method. अगर आप x लेके चलेंगे तो फिर बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा, बहुत ज़्यादा कैलकुलेशन हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट मेथड आई थिंक. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.